Hi, I'm Etienne and I'm software lead engineer at Hionos. 2009, my first encounter with aeronautics and critical embedded software development, taking part in the development of the Airbus A350 inertial unit. Then 2014, I'm involved in the creation and development of ExoPlus action sport drone. And finally, 2017, I joined Hionos and here we are. I'm going to talk about Pulsar Factory, a fully integrated development environment, letting you design and build your very own tailor-made safety-critical autopilot for drones. It's basically a drone autopilot factory, integrating tools for specification, testing, implementation, and verification, along with a set of already developed and proven software bricks. So as a drone manufacturer, it will let you customize what's specific with your system, your operation or your feature needs. And whether you are in a proof of concept phase or in the process of certification of your system, this is the ultimate solution for you. First, Pulsar Factory is downloaded onto your workstation, allowing quick and easy updates. Once installed, you can customize existing bricks or create your own from scratch. And eventually, you can issue everything you need to get your stamp from the regulation and certification authorities. Pulsar Factory is to be used by software developers and functional aeronautic engineers to write specification, write test scenarios, then implement bricks using classic programming languages or model-based development with Simulink or Skate, for example, and finally verify and validate all the development lifecycle. Benefits are obvious. Depending on your customization needs, it can be up to 80% of time saved on the development and certification phases. The best part is that it comes with a full set of processes and tools, so even smaller companies can benefit from it and reach certification standards at reasonable costs. In the past couple of months only, we've been contacted for many projects, based on many different and very different drone platforms. I mean multicopters, of course, but also fixed wings, VTOLs, and even balloon drones. Different platforms mean different control laws and specific IOs, but also a huge amount of common features that shouldn't need redevelopment. For each of these projects, Pulsar Factory proved to be the best solution. Simple, easier and faster.